Shut the front door.
We made a big mistake buying Boho Betty's first mattress.
Hi, I'm Renee.
I'm Roy. Welcome back to Boho Betty RV Adventures.
We replaced Betty's original factory mattress with a mattress we purchased on Amazon, and then we ended up getting a mattress pad too. But it was still too firm for us, so out she goes. This time we ended up purchasing a Wilderness RV mattress, and I can't wait to get it all set up. I didn't want to take any chances this time, so I ordered the Montana Hybrid pillow top, which is their softest model, and I think it's the best fit for how we like to sleep. Forest River actually lists this as a standard queen, but we feel that that would make it too tight and make it really hard to make the bed. So this mattress was custom made to fit Betty's exact dimensions. Right away you can feel how soft it is, even straight out of the box. Right away it was already fully expanded. Comfort really matters on the road, and I think we made the right choice. What do you think?
I sure do.
All right, cool. Keep shining.
Keep rolling. When you're hanging out with this girl, really matters. If she's not comfortable, no one's comfortable.